This is what it looks like for a New England snowstorm on January 7th, 2024. Whew, a lot of shoveling, but I should get my snowshoes out rather than walking in these boots, but it's only a foot of snow. What's the worst that can happen? But it is kind of beautiful. The clean white snow, walking. You know, it's kind of silly to shovel, but I did. And it's still snowing. But life is about learning, and life is about a journey, and nothing is permanent. Enjoy life as you have it. Enjoy life as you can shovel, as you're healthy enough to shovel. That's my thoughts. What are yours? What's next?